Going to give you a quick rundown on these Athletic Pro 8x10 frames. Super nice set. These were sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show them to you, but all opinions are my own. You get a 4-pack of these. They come packaged really, really well. Inside of each 4-pack, you're going to get enough hangers to hang up all the pictures. They send you hangers and they send you a little bubble level. It's a really nice looking wood frame. I've taken the inserts out of it already. What's cool about it is you can, not only can you use it as an 8x10 picture frame, they include 2 different mats in here, so you can use it as a 4x6 or you can use it as a 5x7. So you have 3 different options here. As far as displaying this goes, you've got 4 different options. You have the stand here, so if you want to, you can stand it up like this, or you can stand it like this. And on the back, when you hang it, I just put a screw in the wall for mine. You've got 2 different hangers on here. One so you can hang it 8x10 like this, or one so you can hang it 10x8 right here. These things just out. I put the screw in the wall. I hang it on there like this and then just push it down up against the wall and it hangs perfect. Really easy to get into. These things just press down and slide out of the way. And you lift it up and you're inside of there. You can put one of your mats in there if you like. Put it back down. And just push these things closed. It's really simple. They look good. They're easy to hang. And you have a bunch of different display options with these things. That's why I like them a lot. The Athletic Pro 8x10 frame set.